Thank you everyone for joining the session. This is day 4 and we are doing the journey of happiness. So day 1, what we have done, we just try to find out the 5 small instances from our present day, that habit we made from day 1. And day 2, what we have done, we just went back in our past and find out the happy moments from our past, childhood, adulthood, or our young age. And then day 3, what we have done, we recall the people who made us happy during this lifetime. So the people at home, at relationships, at the workplace, any place, people are the major contributor to create the happiness in your life. So we are just focusing on the people with whom we feel happy. So we are just going back in our past or in the present and found out, like, okay, I was happy with that person for that much of time and I was happy, and this what were your feelings and how you are connecting. So just go back in those memories and collect those emotions from that place. So that we have done in day 3. It gives us the power for our happiness, so that we can make a trust, like we were happy in the past, we are happy in the present, we will be happy in the future. We got the people where we were happy with them in the past, we are getting the people in present with whom we are happy, and we will definitely get the same kind of the people when we will be traverse in the future. So that is the purpose of day 3, and everybody has done beautifully all the 3 days contribution in the group, and everybody is vibrating on the happiness frequency. This is really awesome. Now we are going to discuss about day 4, connected. So if you think like we can uh, make segregate all these past and present and future, this is not possible. All are connected. So if you are thinking like you can be happy in the future, that is not only the scenario. For that you should feel happy today, and for feeling happy today, you have the beautiful tool in your hand. You can get the starter from the past. Whenever anything you like in your life, this is this is the very secret I'm going to tell you. Anything if you like to invite in your life, then go back to the past and take the starter from there. If you like more money in your life, then go back and think, yes, I was prosperous, I am prosperous, I will be prosperous. That will give you the overall confidence of your life. If you think like I was good wife, then you can think I am good wife, I will be good wife. Similar way, I am the good spouse, I was the good spouse, I will be the good spouse. I had family, I have family, I will definitely surrounded by my family. So this is the kind of proving the theorem of mathematics. If you remember your mathematics or physics theorem of the science in your childhood, what we used to do, this is true for 1, this is true for n, this is true for n plus 1, hence prove it is true for everyone. What is that actually? That is the same way we are doing here. So if it is true for past, it is true for present, which already we are vibrating. I can promise you, you will be happy in the future also. The major contributor is the today, not the past, not the future. Both things will be taken care if the present has been taken care. The beauty of the present is you will get the support from the past. This is the beauty. However, whatever is going to happen to your life, that will come to in the present. You will not get anything in the future. Okay. So whatever future you want, you have to invite that future in the present day. For that, you need to be connected with the present day. You should be happy in the present day. So the biggest problem is not the creative visualization, not the future dreaming, not getting the better future. I cannot see my future. I don't know what will happen in my future. These are the useless, feetless worries. There are no scope of these worries. These are useless at all. I don't want to use the right word here, but this is no use, okay? Because all these things will be taken care if you will take care of the present. And most difficult thing is to take care of the present. Whatever meditations we can do, we are doing, whatever spiritualism we are doing, however, how we are responding in the present day, that makes the day, that makes us, that make the actual you and me. It is not like I did the meditation, I did the spiritual workshop, still I am not happy, I'm getting the troubles, I'm getting the not the benefit. Why? Because how we are going to make the mapping of both the things. Spiritualism can take care of your upper chakras. It can fill you the energy, it can give you the power to handle the difficult situations. However, you are going to respond to the situation, this is all about you. Situations are unknown papers, exams which nobody has given. Every day is your exam day. Every day you will get the new set of the paper by the universe. And you and me are the luckiest people or the fortunate people who are the spiritual people, because they get the benefit of the meditations. They are getting the benefit of the spiritualism. So at least we are making ourselves ready. Whatever questions will come, we will answer all the questions with the knowledge gathering or our hard work done in the meditations and spiritualism. So that is the case, okay? In the present day, how you are going to respond, that is totally depend on your virtues, your nature. But that can be modified if you are doing the good virtuous practice, if you are doing the spiritualism, if you are doing the meditations. Those things will make you calm to take the decisions calmly at your work, at your home, give you power to handle the situations. So that will come from the meditations or the spiritualism. And now you can ask, if the present day is so difficult, then how we can take the help from anybody, any place else? Then the past is standing. Past, go back to the past again, use your consciousness and the power of yours. Only gather the positive moments of your past, not the negative. Everybody have mix. However, you have to just collect the positive moments of your past, collect them with you, okay, and use those power to make your present more powerful, okay. So by that way you can implement this knowledge in the present day. Future will never come in the future, future will always come in the present, always remember that. So this is for knowledge sharing side. Now come to the today's day, what we have to do. So I just started with the session, we have done well from the last days. So day 3, we have to do the two different activities. We are in present, however, we will go in the past and we will go in the future also. Two things we will do today. One thing is, you have, as we identified the three people from our uh, present and the past, where we feel more happiness. Mostly we are happy with them. Now find out the three places of your past life, or this life in the past time, when you went to some place with your family, with your friends, even alone also, where you went and you enjoyed that place. You enjoyed the beauty of the nature. You enjoyed that journey. Remember, recall those three places. For example, let me tell you, I used to go to Pune many times, but however, when I went to Pune this time and I connected with all of you guys with the magic session, or that was the my recalling or the remembering journey, okay, one of that. Similar way, you can identify what was your previous journeys, where you went with your family or alone or anybody you like, and you spend the time. Sometimes we just sit and watch the mountains, and near the lakeside we used to do the camping. Whatever the places given you, the nature connect, natural beauty surrounded you, and you are with some loved one people with you. So just recall those three places of your past and say, I was so happy when I went that place. I was so happy when I was in that city. Okay, so just by that way, you have to find out the three places to make you connect with that. Sit calmly and go back in those memories and collect the happiness from there. This is the one thing we have to do. Another important thing we have to do is we have to do share the five instances, okay, where we are happy in today's day. At the same time, we will share the thank you moment. So this is all we will do today, and tomorrow day 5 will be there, and we have luckily weekend, so we will complete the workshop tomorrow. If anybody who never joined the workshops or who missed the workshops in between, on and off, please, please, please kindly join tomorrow's day, because tomorrow is not only the ending of the happiness workshop, it is the ending of the 26 days workshop. Forgiveness, gratitude, acceptance, hope and faith, love and happiness. So all these things are going to be power, giving the power for tomorrow's day, because tomorrow is the final day. Okay, so please try to join tomorrow's day for closing this series of the workshops. And I will try my best to collect all the recordings, make it one place and share on the YouTube, so that anybody if miss anything, so they can listen and complete their activities. So let me brief today's session once more. Today we have to just go in back in our memories and find out the three beautiful places where we are connected with the nature, and elaborate those experiences as much as you can. For example, with whom you were, how you enjoyed, what the scenery you enjoyed there, what you liked about, why this is your memory, so that it should keep in your memory for lifetime. Okay, just write three, and what was your experience. And second thing, we have to share five instances of today where you felt happiness. And the sixth point will be, sixth happy moment will be your thank you moment of the day. By doing all these activities, we will complete our day 4. Thank you everyone for joining the session.